back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So right off the bat, I just need to apologise for my voice. I am full of cold, I am so bunged out, but I just didn't want to have to put off doing this video even longer. So I really hope it's not too annoying, but I am so excited for today because I am finally decorating for spring. As you can see, we are starting off in the bedroom and I can't wait to get this nice and bright and fresh for spring. I've already stripped the beds and the old bedding's in the wash, ready for the new, and honestly I have the prettiest bedding to show you guys. I cannot wait to make my bed with it. It is just bright and yeah, it's so colourful. I absolutely love it, so I can't wait to show you that. Also going to be changing out the mirror that is just above my headboard, and then I'm also going to be adding in loads of flowers throughout the room just to really brighten up the space. So I really hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, do all the things, and let's just jump straight into it. Just gone round and wiped everything down. It is smelling so fresh in here now. I used this Astonish Linen Fresh. I'm definitely going to be using this throughout the whole house because it does smell fresh and just light. And downstairs I'm actually still using the Christmas scents, and even though I do love like the cozy Christmas winter scents, they are quite thick and heavy, if that makes sense, but I just want to lighten everything up. So yeah, I think I am going to go ahead and use this throughout the whole house. But like I said, it smells incredible in here now, and like I said, I'm literally out of breath. But like I said, I've got a cold. I got it from Rob. He was ill before me, so we've been spending a lot of time in this room recovering in bed. So I did want to give it a good disinfect rather than just a dust. So I'm really glad that I got to that today. I'm now going to whiz around, do some hoovering, get like cobwebs. I don't know if you can see like along here, there's quite a few cobwebs here and there, so I need to get those up. And then I'm also going to be putting some pictures along this wall here, but I'm actually waiting for an Amazon delivery of my command strips because the walls in this house are crap basically, and we have to use command strips because any other sort of nails or hooks or anything that we put in the wall, 9 times out of 10 they either just fall out or like the wall kind of crumbles. So I'm going to be using command strips so I don't have to ruin any more walls. So as soon as that delivery turns up, I will put those up. But I'm not sure whether to just make the bed now. I wasn't going to because I'm going to be obviously climbing on top of the bed to put the pictures up, but it might be hours yet until the delivery. So yeah, I'm going to hoover, make the bed, and then we can carry on decorating.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be fighting, cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same.
I'm sorry, but I am absolutely obsessed with this bedding. It's so pretty. I don't think the colours are even coming across on camera like how pretty it is in real life. It's absolutely beautiful. I will have it linked down below. If you're not into the bright pink, they do also do different colours as well, but it was so affordable. I got mine in a Super King and it was only £25, which for a Super King like 3-piece bed, because it even comes with the matching sheet, which I've never had before. So yeah, I just love everything about it. So yeah, I will link it down below. End of today's video, and just seeing that pop of colour in the background makes me so happy. I can't wait to start decorating the rest of the house, just adding in pops of pink and blue as we go, making it more colourful and just happy. Colour makes me so happy nowadays, so I do want to add in lots more throughout the house. So definitely make sure you are subscribed with your notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of my future decorating videos, cleaning videos, vlogs, all the things that are on this channel. I would love for you to be a part of. Also, leave today's video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys back here in my next one. Bye guys.